Good morning, everybody. Okay, so today we are going to show you how we addressed the gaps in our micro cabin, and we're going to give you some updates on what's coming next for our channel, so stay tuned.
We came back after a week to see how the cabin held up. We knew that the boards would shrink up a little bit, but they did a little bit more shrinking than we thought they would. So one of the options we were going to use was some weatherproofing, and we put that in there just as a trial, just to see if that would work. That could potentially work. We also were considering something called rope caulk. I also was looking at the spray foam, but Cupcake hates whenever I use that because I use it everywhere. So what we decided to do was we're going to get some of the tar paper that you would use whenever you're building a house, and I'm going to fit it in to these areas between the boards, and then we're going to put up additional boards on the inside. These are all horizontal. We're going to put the black tar paper in here, and then put some more boards in vertical, and that's going to completely seal pretty much the entire structure. Any little gaps I can then silicone those in to help protect it. Again, the amount of money that we put in it, what we're doing now is going to add about $100 total, so that increases the budget for this entire build to right at $1,300, which is still very, very good. All right, so you can see I've kind of started putting some of the tar paper up. I've fitted in as best I can. We started putting up a few of the boards, but you can kind of see the idea here is just to more or less keep as much of the outside, and then we'll have the inside dry.
And weatherproofed.
Again, you know, one of the things to remember here is that we don't expect this to be completely sealed. Okay, you can see what we ended up doing here with the walls. The exterior boards are horizontal. We put some black tar paper on the inside, and then we put the same pickets on the inside. We just put them vertical. That was a very inexpensive way to do it. You can still see it's not completely sealed in, but this is just a basic micro cabin that we're going to be using a lot, and I think it worked out pretty good. All right, on the micro cabin, I just kind of wanted to show you the deck. I don't have any of the actual build of it, because we did one of those earlier, so you can see one of our other videos for the building a deck, and I'll put a link in the description. But what we more or less did is a 4x8 deck, and then we duplicated it. We have a 4x8 in the front and a 4x8 on the side with the door. Works out perfectly, and we really think it looks cool. We're very happy with it. But like I said, it's pretty straightforward. With the inflation and the cost of wood going up, it was a little bit more expensive than it was the last time we did it, but it's still not horrible. All right, and coming up in the next couple of weeks, we're going to have a video of our outdoor shower water collection system that allows us to take showers out here, have water for the sink, have water for other uses. We're not intending to drink this water. It's just the water collection from the roof of our kitchen here.
We're also going to have a video coming up of our first night in the micro cabin too. So,
and it was amazing.
Yes, it was. Also
keep watching. In the next couple of weeks, within the month, we're going to have, we have plans to build an A-frame micro cabin. And that's going to be just right over here. We're going to build it elevated off of a deck. We're going to build it probably at least 4 to 5 feet up because we are in the floodplain or flood zone here, and we want to protect it as much as possible. But we're pretty excited about that because that's kind of almost round out what we wanted to do initially here, because we'll have the outdoor kitchen, our micro cabin, we'll have an A-frame micro cabin, outdoor shower, water collection system, and our cargo trailer is right behind us as well. So we have quite a bit here, and we're thoroughly enjoying doing these videos and doing the building.
I'm ready for the summertime to get here, or at least springtime, because I want to be able to get some fishing done. And of course, fry those fish for all of us.
Yeah.
Except for him. He won't eat any, but it's all right.
Yeah.
It's all right. But I'm excited for spring and summer to come because we have so much planned for out here.
And you can see, I mean,
it's cold.
I'm cold. She's pretty cold.
I'm cold.
But like, look behind us, you can see across the creek. I don't know if you can see it. You got quite. It didn't snow a lot, but it snowed a good bit. Yeah. It's 28 degrees right now, so it is a little bit chilly.
Yeah.
But it's amazing just to have this little piece of heaven, being able to come out here and just.
I mean, and we have our buddy heater, so we stay warm. We just chose to come into the kitchen, for this morning and do this film. So we're not cold out here, but in the cabin and everywhere else, it's nice.
Yeah.
All right, so that's going to end this video. If you like it, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Any comments, if you'll leave them below, we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And thanks for watching.
What she said. Okay.
Look who we have. Hey, CJ. What you doing? This Getty got you. He's so happy.